Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable swipe for a split screen on Samsung Galaxy F70e. On your Samsung Galaxy Android phone, Samsung Galaxy phones have an enhanced split screen feature called multi-window that offers more flexibility than stock Android. Go to settings of your Android, Samsung Galaxy Android, and here go to advanced features. Here you will find the option multi-window. Tap on multi-window and here type on multi-window and here you will find a swipe for left, a split screen. Turn the toggle button on. Now you can open the first tab, swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen. This instantly activates a split screen on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Simply select the second app from the app list or open one from the home screen. So swipe up for the first screen and select the second app from the app list or open one